Well guys, I told you on the last video that this quick attach skid steer plate here is going to have 3 functions. Well, now I got them completed and done tested. In case you missed the first one, I show a little clip here in the video of my limb saw that I built that goes right here. That limb saw, since that video, I have done a job with it and it is more than paid for itself. Worked awesome. But then I come in here and I told y'all on that last video I had this hole right here cut, and I'll pop up a picture here of what I put in there, and that's so when I grind stumps I can have this on my trailer, not have to unhook the stump grinder and do some cleanup afterwards, the little rake. Okay guys, now this here's the 3rd function for this skid steer quick connect plate. I was telling y'all it's going to be for 3 functions. The one there so I can stick a rake on it, take with me when I'm stump grinding. Just pull the pin, slide it off, then we can put the pond bank mower on or the limb saw on. Y'all see that fresh wheels right there? This thing come from Ebike. I think it still got his name on it on this side. Yep, there it is right up under there, Ebike. And Ebike makes good products for their price, but they messed up on this one. They had this plate turned around pointing this way, so I just had to cut their wheels off and spin it around to make it work. But one of the best things that come up with is this telescopic. I call it telescopic, it ain't really telescopic. You can loosen these bolts and slide this 2-inch tubing and it'll reach about 12 foot out away from the tractor. And I had one of these DR trimmer mowers. And it works awesome for a pine bank mower. I got some clips here, videos of me mowing a pine bank, and it works awesome. And the way I got this on here, I have not affected the DR trimmer. All I got to do is stick the wheels back on there, raise the handlebars, and I can still use this the original way if I so choose. Now it will have this little weight on the back where I welded the frame here, but it unpins right here so I can take it on and off. This one here is actually electric start. And I'm going to show y'all a clip here of me trimming that pine bank and how awesome it worked. So if you got a pine bank that you need trimmed and you have a tractor with a front end loader, there's you a cheap setup. Because I think you can buy even the DR here. I think this is called the Patriot or something. I may be wrong about that. A little less than $500, but I know you can get other brand names cheaper that would do the same thing. But the DR trimmer here, it has the quick load sawtooth, and it's got like wire in the inside, but it's the cord for it, what I'm trying to get out here, is like a .255 millimeter thickness. And as you see in this video, it does do some some of you say you might could do that with a push lawnmower. Well, you see there's a push lawnmower sitting on that table over there. I had an old push lawnmower that run, and of course I ain't gonna push no push lawnmower. I said, well, let me try it with that blade on it. Well, the push lawnmower works. If that's all you had and you just doing for your pond, yeah, you could do it, but you gotta back up and forth too many times for it to cut. So where this DR trimmer, you can just ease along there and it just cuts. Now if you need to make another swipe, you back up and get another swipe. But the push lawnmower, it don't do nothing as far as what the trimmer. Now I can take this trimmer here. I got another big reservoir I'm finna do, because I'm doing this to make money with, and I can do it with this. That push lawnmower on here, no, it would take entirely too long. Wouldn't nobody want to pay me to do that. But guys, like I said, I'm gonna show you some more video clips here. I told y'all I would come back and show y'all what this quick connect plate I had when I was building all my plans for it, so I can use it for 3 different things. It just skid steer, flip the levers, disconnects from the front end loader, and I can put whichever one of them 3 attachments I want to use on there. So if you ain't never seen that idea or wonder how it works, there you go. There's your proof in the pudding. Appreciate y'all. See y'all on the next one. Guys, the lawnmower does not do as good as the DR trimmer. It'd be alright if you built this just for your own mind, but it takes too long to do it for making money. Cutting everybody's good as the DR trimmer. Plus you have to keep a gas can on the tractor wheel. Lawnmower runs out of gas too quick. That little big tank they have. It will do the job though, but it's just slow. DR trimmer is the way to go if you're gonna make this. Next I'll probably try putting a saw blade on the DR trimmer. Does it choke down? I've only choked it down once. Man, that team was on 300 yards.